friends, if you're planning a trip to Singapore, the first step is how to apply your visa for Singapore. And I'm the one who just got visa in 48 hours. This is not a sponsored video, like I'm sharing my own experience. I applied my visa from Skyline Agency. Their office is in CP, and these are the documents which I submitted was passport, visa application form, photographs. There was some issue with the photographs which I submitted, but the Skyline Agency make it sure that you submit your correct documents. So they just suggested me to have click fresh photographs from the nearby studio, which was uh, which on daily purpose click photographs for this visas and all. Covering letter, simple covering letter asking for your purpose to visit, days and all. And the most important thing is please have funds in your account, and it should be around about 1.5 to 2 lakhs, and 3 month statement. Like if you are salaried employed, either you have your NOC or 3 months salary should be credited in your month wise in your salary account. These documents are enough. And see, I got my visa in just 48 hours, and it is valid till 2028 with multiple entries, so I can visit till 2028, guys. And if you want more information, you can like, subscribe and share my channel. And the best thing is, like, I had this trip with my friend, like we both were girls and we planned our itinerary. If you want to have that itinerary, and if you it is very safe for girls to travel. We traveled in public transport like MRT. In upcoming videos, I will be telling where had my stay in Singapore. It was connected with MRT. Each and every destination was nearby, and I had a very budget travel. So if you like, subscribe and share my channel. I will be sharing the videos like how to save your money and have that international trip, and what to do, not to do, places to visit, how to get vegetarian food, what to have with you, and things which you require for having a good trip. So just like, subscribe and share my channel. And if you require more details about visa, you can message me, and I will be sharing the link of the agency from where I applied my visa. And that's all. Bye bye. Take care.